Hi, I'm Patrick Hopper, publisher at Embedded Computing Design and Military Embedded Systems, and I'm here in Canada with Jacques Houde, and we're celebrating 15 years with Pixus Technologies. Jacques, how are you?
Okay, good. Thank you.
So,
Nice to meet you.
we're pretty excited to be here with Pixus, and we're talking about the last 15 years. So, Jacques, tell me a little bit about where you've come from in the last 15 years.
Well, we came out of the telecom market
Mm-hmm.
back from the Caparel days, Vertal
Mm-hmm.
and whatnot. And so we started off here with some of that technology for a smaller version of the ATCA chassis. We had an original 13U chassis
Yeah.
that was supposedly one of the biggest chassis projects in the world. And we took some of that technology and created our called Slot Saver,
Mm-hmm.
which was a 6 slot version, horizontal, and with 2 half slots that were the chassis manager and switch. So you didn't have to buy this great big huge box. You can get a much smaller box and do your application. So we did that for a while, and as we know, like 2000, when the original tech crash,
Mm-hmm.
it
We were
still
there.
yeah, that's right, we were all there. Still didn't get much better by 2010, 2012. So at that point in time, we decided to pivot, and the logical place to go was VPX
Yeah,
because I mean
definitely.
most of it is exactly the same. The backplane is the only real difference in that one. So we pivoted. It took us a good 2, 3 years to sort of get some inroads, open up some doors, and now here we are. 10 years later, and that's our core business.
Well, great. So tell me, build a little bit more on that. What architectures have you followed over these last 15 years?
Well, obviously ATCA, micro TCA,
Mm-hmm.
compact PCI,
Mm-hmm.
VME a little bit, not all that much. And then there's been some custom stuff, but again, most of it now it's really VPX, but custom VPX.
Great. All right. Now the big question is moving forward and looking to the future. Where are you looking forward for Pixus?
Well, we tend to follow the standards. So now again, we've got SOSA,
Yes,
which are
definitely.
leading a lot of that. The new Vita specs, Vita 100.
Mm-hmm.
That's one that's in development. We're probably a good 2, 3 years before that sort of sees any kind of real fruition. But I think that's our path. I mean, there's you got to follow the trends, and that's where we shine.
Well, good. Well, it's been a pleasure following you the last 15 years, and hopefully we'll be there for the following 15
For
years.
sure. Thank
Hey,
you. Appreciate it.
congratulations.
Thank you.